Right there on top of the bridge. Dang. Dang. Shit. That was a good one right there. Stay troopers.
Speed limit.
Oh! Oh! You ain't coming for me, buddy. No, no, sir. Oh my God! Oh shit! He going for him! Oh my God! They not. Oh, I saw him at the top. Boy, he is gone. Do you hear me? Damn! Shit! Oh, he finna get him! He wasn't finna get. Dang! Oh man! Oh man! Just ruined his day. He did that instant on trick, boy, because it didn't pick him up till right on time. Dang. Man. Ruined his day. It's not funny, but it is. On the other side. Yeah, look. Look. Right there. Caught your ass, boy. Damn. Yes. Woo. That's gotta come off the cameras, bro.
What to do with that? Four finger banging, baby, and I'm still true to that. Give up anything if I can bring one of my shooters back. I was doing videos for suckers, I ain't cool with that. Promise you wouldn't approve either. Why you doing that? Act like you ain't knowing them humans that we moving at. Fuck it up for all the real niggas with your stupid ass. 40 in the Gucci bag, post the where's booming at. Yelling free my level 4 niggas doing Superman. Move it back to the back, move it back. Loyalty is anything, I'm trying not to ruin that. Rich nigga always told me all you gotta do is stack, but every time the bitch in it, I be running through the stack. Wiggled out the hood for a minute and I'm moving back. Hella niggas started dying.
Caution, live police spotted ahead.
Stay strapped for it. If a sucker catch me leaking, that just mean I asked for it. Moving at a fast pace, according to the dashboard. Cousin got an SK, blood trying to tax for it. I ain't trying to spend nothing more than a rack for it. Doing something right now, so I'ma double back for it. Rap about real shit. Real niggas feel this. They gon' comprehend it when I talk about a kill switch. On that in the field shit. Take you on a field trip. My little nigga sick. You drill shit until the steel click. Blot it out.
Oh my God. He's right, bruh. He's right there. There to the right. Bruh. And then there's more up here. Oh my gosh. Wow. Caution. Live police. Oh my gosh.
Look, if y'all are not convinced that you need to get yourself one of these, dude, look, you need to get the full setup too, bro. I mean, look, like, is that not enough to convince you that you need to get one? And it's not even about speed. It's just, I mean, it's an uncomforting feeling to run up on them. But when you know that you're about to run up on one, whether you're speeding or not, it makes you feel a little bit more comfortable. So, I mean, this thing right here, it's freaking amazing. You will still pass cops and not get an alert, though. So, hey, that's when they're using laser and when they're not running the radar at all. So, I'm going to stick this back on my window after I just got all that great, fantastic footage off the... Where's the circle at where it was stuck to the window? Right there. Suction cup it back on there. I think that ought to have that taken care of. All right, we got it. Banned enables modified. Yep. So you definitely need to get you one for real. I mean, that is an investment. You have to look at it as an investment, not just something that you, oh, it's connecting to my Bluetooth. It's already connected to my Bluetooth. So yeah. That's that. One, you're only Maliko Boost. Malik. And I think I've probably convinced a lot of y'all now. So God, I don't know what to make a video on next. I'll find something to entertain myself with that I feel like I need to make a YouTube video on next. I'm running out of ideas, but that shit was funny. I mean, this just happened today, like an hour ago, bro. Or really, I'll say 2 hours, because by the time you see this video, I'm not even gonna say a timestamp because the video is gonna be on YouTube forever. So, Now I gotta get my other dash camera because I gotta pull that exact same footage off the dash cam. I'm not gonna put it in this video, but it's good to have it twice. So that is what it is. This has been